Welcome to Mishna study, Masachet Terumot, Perek Mishna Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to speak about, interestingly enough, Teruma that falls into Teruma. Right, what's the problem? So if we have Teruma Teme'ah, impure Teruma that fell into 100 pieces of Teruma Tehora, are we going to say that that Teruma Teme'ah is also, Ola, right? Meaning it's Batel? Or do we say, no, it's Teruma that fell into Teruma, and it's going to be a problem. And now we don't know which one the tameh is. We have to treat the whole thing like teruma tame'ah, and you're not allowed to do anything with it. So that's going to be an interesting machlokes between Bet Shammai and Bet Hillel, and they're actually going to try to argue with each other in this Mishnah. So we'll have a little bit back and forth, which is nice. Se'at teruma tame'ah, shnafla leme'ah se'at teruma teora. So you have one se'at teruma tame'ah that fell into 100. Right, so seemingly there's enough quantity on the bottom of teruma teora that it fell into. Bet Shammai osrim u Bet Hillel matirim. Right, Bet Shammai says no good. Bet Hillel says that's okay, it's good, it's batel. Amru Bet Hillel Bet Shammai. Bet Hillel now says Bet Shammai, Hu'il v'teora asura lezarim, utme'ah asura lekohanim. Right? They both have someone, right? Teruma tehora, or Yisrael's not allowed to eat it. Teme'ah also has someone that's also not allowed to eat it. The kohanim are all not allowed to eat teruma teme'ah. So the same thing, ma tehora ola, afa teme'ah ta'aleh. The same way the teruma tehora, right? If tehora fell into hulin, we said it's ola be'echad u'me'ah. So to the teme'ah, it should also be oleh. Say the same thing. Amru lahem Bet Shammai lo. Bet Shammai responded, no. Im he'ailu ha'chulin ha'kalin hamutarim nizarim et ha'teora. Right? The hulin, when we say the hulin, if teruma falls into hulin, right? The hulin are kal, right? They're much more, they're much lighter weight. Right? Why? Because that's mutar to zarim. That's mutar to everyone. Okay, so I can understand something that's mutar to everyone. Okay, that's oleh. That if teruma falls into it, then that could be ma'aleh the teorah. But ta'aleh teruma hamura asura lezarim et teme'ah. You're going to tell me if teruma fell into teruma is hamur. Why? Because that's asur to zarim. Yisrael's not allowed to eat it. So now that's going to be ma'aleh the teme'ah. You can't go ahead and make it. That's not a kal v'homer, right? Bet Shammai is saying, look, you're comparing hulin to teruma to teruma. Oh, if hulin falls in, so if teruma falls into hulin, it's ta'aleh. But if teruma falls in, you can't say it's ta'aleh. The hulin is ma'aleh the teruma because that's asur that's the hulin's mutar to everyone, so it could be ma'aleh the teruma. But if teruma falls into teruma, the teruma itself is asur to zarim, right? It's asur to Israel. Israel is never allowed to eat teruma, so that could be you assume that could be ma'aleh the teme'ah? No. Now the ahar shehudu, right? After they agreed. Now who agreed? Right? Seemingly over here, Bet Shammai got the last word. Well, let's keep on reading. Right, so Rabbi Eliezer says you need to separate the teruma and burn it. And Chamim say, no, it's batel, avda b'miuta, the whole thing is batel. So seemingly both these opinions are according to the shita of Bet Hillel, right? Because they're both saying that that you could go ahead and either take the teruma out or it's batel legamre. So everyone's agreeing to Bet Hillel. So you have to explain over here that har shehodu is that you have to explain that after Bet Shammai agreed to Bet Hillel. So even though they got the last word in the Mishnah over here, seemingly, right? And the Gemara explains this like that. Harambam points it out that the Yerushalmi explains that har shehodu klomar la har shehodu Bet Shammai le Bet Hillel shetale. Right, Bet Hillel agreed to Bet Shammai. Right, I think over here on Rambam it says kilomar. Right, meaning what's going on in kilomar? The language of the Mishnah is a little troubling. The har shodu seems to me Bet Shammai agreeing to Bet Hillel, but he explains that it's really Bet Hillel agreeing to Bet Shammai. Right, and he actually quotes to the Yerushalmi that we never find right that Bet Shammai went to agree to Bet Hillel except in this case. Right, very interesting. This is the only time Bet Shammai goes and retracts and agrees to Bet Hillel, our Mishnah. Now, after they agreed that the se'ah fell in ta'aleh, Eliezer says you need to go ahead and burn it, right? Just like teruma teme'ah, he's treating exactly like teruma teme'ah, right? That's like he holds that se'ah shnafla he se'ah she'alta, right? And to be mahmir, like we mentioned 2 Mishnah ago. And Hamim say no, it's badla b'miuta. right? It's batel, and everyone's allowed to eat. Anyone could eat all of it, right? And you don't have to be lot, and you don't have to be ma'aleh. There's nothing to be ta'aleh over here, right? It's teruma that fell into teruma, and everyone, a kohen, right, could go ahead and eat all of it. Halacha is like hachamim.